This one got smacked hard in the back and the trunk floor is completely folded up.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Ford Transit van here. This one got smacked hard in the back. It destroyed both of the rear doors, the rear bumper, and then it destroyed this rear body panel, and the trunk floor is completely folded up. So this one's gonna get this new outer rear body panel as well as a new trunk floor. However, unfortunately, the only way they sell this trunk floor, you gotta buy this entire unit. But they actually offer sectioning procedures where I could section this in, just the back half. I'm gonna have to measure it out, but I think it's gonna go in right around here, just this rear section, which will be right in this area somewhere. However, first I'm gonna make a couple pulls and pull out all the damage first. Then I will make my measurements and start getting this one cut apart. Now they have a measurement of where they want this sectioned in at, and you measure it from the front edge up there, and I already marked it all the way across. Then it looks like they have it jog up, then over at each side. So I'm going to go ahead and lay out a tape line, and I'll get this floor section cut out. So I went ahead and I wanted to fit my rear doors on this just to make sure they seal properly and everything looks good. And the doors line up perfectly. They seal nice and tight across the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift these doors back off, get them out of my way, and get all of this back welded in. I'll weld the floor first, which is just gonna be a bunch of MIG welds, and then I will weld the rear body panel on.